Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WAC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I am anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So definitely want to get some levels of support mapped out and then some levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above the 47-cent mark. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 47, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above there, that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Taking a step back, and this definitely assumes you care more so about the big picture of things. But again, from the big picture, and a very easy way to gauge kind of the health of the current price movement from, again, the overall sense is in regards to that purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as the name implies, as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So again, grand scope of things perspective, how do you gauge the health of the current price movement? As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves itself higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, no questions about it. Again, preferably stay up above 47 cents, but if that doesn't happen, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the overall trend is fully in the bulls' favor. Now, what about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, and I'm just going to focus on one level of resistance, and I'll explain that in a second. But key level of resistance going into Monday is going to be right up there at that 52-cent mark. Reason I'm just talking about one level of resistance is, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not really the top priority right now for the chart. Top priority is just going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over longer periods of time, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. So focus on building higher lows, and like I said, the rest of the chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So nice move today. We'll see what the bulls have in store for next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.